finally today is Sunday and Damian can have a time to enjoy a beautiful day with me. So today we are in one beautiful lake.
Hold on, actually it feels like I'm in summer, because I'm facing, that direction, what's going on, and it's like literally a little bit like definitely summer vibe. It's summer, officially it's summer already. It's actually hot, I feel hot, but the wind is nice and it's not humid like in Bali or anywhere in Southeast Asia, so it's actually nice. And Winnie will show you actually the nice vibe here.
And yeah, I will show you around. And this is the vibe actually in Poznan, Poland. Wherever you go, you will see so many green, so many lakes. So yeah, we are so lucky here.
Because actually Poznan is considered as the green city. Even there is like not like maybe in my hometown in northern Poland, but still a lot of lakes actually, a lot of forest and stuff like this. So show to the people a little bit how is it.
Oh, look at this beautiful dark, colorful one. Wow, chilling. And look at in front of me, so many people are doing windsurfing. Some people are doing that, like a surfing. And wow, look at this. And look at this. This is literally like a beautiful beach. You see people enjoying sunbathing here. So nice. Wow, look at that. If I can zoom it a little bit. Surround. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Beautiful, right? So nice. Beautiful. I'm so happy that to see people enjoying the time by the lake, by the beach. Oh, that's the yacht. I think that's the yacht club over there. Maybe we will go there later on. And that's the windsurfing, and that's the stand-up paddle, something like that. And you can do like that as well. So many fun activities that you can do, and surrounded by the green nature like this. Oh, look at the ducks. So nice. Let's see how clean is the water. Oh wow, that's look like the fish. Very clean. Nice. Very nice. So Damian is there enjoying her time under the sun and people sunbathing. So yeah, let's see. So that was a beautiful place to have a picnic. Oh look, even they have an apple tree, this one. Wow. Nice. Can you pick it up, Kahanye?
It's not yet, it's still ripe,
Ah.
but there will be apple tree for sure.
And you have a picnic next to the lake. You have a cycling. Nice. I think this one in front of me is the gym. And you see like Google Fitness. And that is the place to chill basically. And that over there is the beach. It's very nice. Summer in Europe is beautiful. And it's not that as humid as in Asia, wherever you walk. It's just like you cannot handle the humidity. But here you see, I think that this one is the area where you can have a barbecue. Ah, nice. It's very nice. Are you happy, Kahanya?
Are you happy?
Happy. Finally, you've got time.
Ah.
Nice. So that in front of me a playground for the children, and that is the restaurant. I think that's for the ice cream shop, and that's place for the chilling. And Kahanya, let's buy ice cream.
Ice cream always good idea.
Nice. What is this, Kahanya?
Machine what you can measure your kick power.
Ah, nice. You see, there are so many family are coming. People there stand up paddling, windsurfing. Look like this. And here's the ice cream. Nice. So this one is the ice cream. This one is the ice cream menu basically. And they also have a coffee. The place is just like this. Nice. Oh, look at this. Nice. Chocolada. Dzień dobry. Very nice. And here is the people are preparing for the windsurfing. Nice, 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 nice. So I've got jagoda, which is blueberries because now is blueberry seasons. Kohane, smacznego. And this one with the view like this. You see more and more people enjoying the time with the family. Nice. Kohane, how do you feel?
Good.
How do you feel like you are summer finally back in Europe again, not in Asia?
Nice. How do you feel?
It's totally different.
Different, right?
It's not that humid and it's so enjoyable. How do you feel that you are off from work today?
Good.
Because you always work, you have no time.
That's true. But I'm off today.
But look behind you, people really, they have a work-life balance. Chuck? And they are being a sportive, always active. I'm gonna go there. Look at this, beautiful. So there you can rent for like this one, and also you want to have a stand-up paddle like that or windsurf, you can do that like these people in front of me. Look at that stand-up paddle, you see, always active outside, enjoying your best time. Wow. And if you can see from the further over there, there are also the and over there also the nice. I will get closer. I'm looking for the duck here, but there is no ducks. Nice. So if you want to do a stand-up paddle like that, and this is the price and the name, and this one is the, you know, the stand-up paddle. Nice. Look at this beautiful tree and the white sand, and it is a very clean. Next to me, like people are enjoying, they're gonna do a flying fish or stand-up paddle. Oh, this one here is sauna. You also can have a sauna here. Nice, very nice. Wow. And in front of me, they also have a nice, beautiful. This is basically the situation of summer vibe. But I can say that the summer vibe here, it's very enjoyable, and I can see that people seems like really enjoying their best time. So no beach, no problem, but you still can have a like lake where you can enjoy the, you know, water sport outside. Amazing. If you're hungry and you need something to eat like Sakpikangka, in front of me one nice restaurant, or you also can bring your grill here and you can have a grill. Oh, look at this bear actually, and there are so many camper van here, and in front of me is the yacht. Nice. Aha, look at this. Nice. Small boat. Yeah. Wow. It's very nice. Nice feeling that you come into the water again. Look at this. Beautiful. Nice. Amazing. Wow. Nice. Oh, so this one in the front of me is actually a nice place to have a party by the lake. Nice. This one is nice restaurant, I think. Very nice. See, people are here preparing for the windsurfing. Nice. Right, so if you are interested about the stand-up paddle windsurfing, and this is the price. Nice. So that was the ice cream shop over there. It's very recommend. Barso Polecam. And that's the parking, that's the place where you can buy Sapikangka. And here is the spot you also can doing a barbecue. And in the front, I think you can do the stand-up paddle here or windsurfing. And look at this one. Wow, very nice. And here
It's quite a lot of people here actually, isn't it?
Tak. You can do sunbathing here, and even children playground, and another ice cream, and that's over there is the restaurant. Nice. Oh, look at that. That's also the place for doing a barbecue. Nice. And people keep coming and coming, kohanye. So people riding bicycle, bringing the dogs, going with the family. Wow, so now we are in the park Edukasi Ekologiczny. Oh, I learned this flower, and this flower in my book. Let's go, kohani. Hodge. Wow. Oh, that's the sign that there is gonna be an animal, wild animal. Here is the park. And let's go. Kohani, I can see that you are so happy. I know, I learned that in my book, kohanye. So if you go straight there, you will go to the lake.
Let's take a look.
Ah, here we go, kohanye. This is the camper van. Tak? Wow. So people live here in the camper van?
Well, I don't think so they live, but they hanging out sometime.
Ah, nice. Here is another information about the animals lives in the park. Snake and this one. Oh wow, very nice. Kohanye, another animal living here?
Birdie now.
Pataki birds.
Tak.
Wow. Right, so that was actually very nice afternoon, right, Kohanye?
Ah.
Ice cream, walking.
Something different today, and finally we could go somewhere.
I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See ya, take care.
We are out of the lake and here is the road outside the lake. Look at this, how green it is. So basically is, you know, living in Poland, everywhere you go is just like green. Beautiful. And the sunshine, look at this.